Awelo Sara, A-W-E-L-O. Awelo Sara for the applicant.
This Maida is also Asiat.
Yes, Asiat, A-S-Y-A-T.
Then from the other side, because you are doing remote.
Yes, so watching group, my lord. We have Namugen is better. It is in court, my lord. We have Namugera Sanyu. She's also in court. We have Pansongo we have here. Is also in court. Namugera Sanya. Sanya, my lord. Sanya. Yes, my lord. We also have Pansongo Hakim.
Hakim.
Yes, my lord. They are all on watching this matter.
What's your name, Lord?
It's H-A-K-I-M-U.
And the complainant in this matter is in court.
The back one I can report to you, even for the station.
Yes, my lord.
The complainant is what?
Is in court, my lord.
Complainant. Court. I'm noted. Yeah. Very a lot of procrastination was matter because I was indisposed. I am still indisposed. I am in a position to handle this matter for the time being. The applicant filed this application of bail. Pending the hearing and determination of the pending of case number 27, 2024. Such terms and conditions that the court deem fit the grounds of the application as contained in the affidavit in support of the application. Here, the grounds opposing the application are also here. Now, for consideration.
If I didn't know you.
Court is this is the consideration of court.
Yes, my lord.
You please sit down. Before I deal with the merits of the application, I wish to address a few concerns raised respondent with regard to seeking leave to present some of the applicant and the contents of the letter addressed to me in respect of the proceedings of the second day of December 2024 before the started to instruct this court. When the matter first came up, November 2024, the court issued directives to the parties to file their submissions and adjourned the matter wherein at the next hearing the proposed sureties will be identified, the oral highlights of the submissions obtained would be made by the parties. At no point did the respondent indicate that intended to examine the applicant. The prayer to examine was therefore brought at the time when all parties filed all their affidavits and submissions. Considering that application is proceeded by way of affidavit evidence, the respondent made a reply to the application, and the fact that the respondent did not indicate to the court the area of opportunity that he sought to cross-examine the applicant, the prayer cannot be allowed. With regard to the proceedings of the 2nd of December 2024, before the assistant registrar, I have instructed the registrar receive the particulars of the sureties, it goes without saying that the particulars of the sureties were already on record, and the respondent had also already submitted his written objections to the same sureties by way of written submissions and affidavits. Bearing in mind that bail applications must be disposed of within 30 days of filing of the application, the directive to the land registrar was therefore only record and identify the sureties whose particulars were already on record. The overall discretion in bail application rests with the judge, and I shall determine this application based on the written submission filed. I now move to determining the application and its merits, while carefully considering the submission is filed by both parties. Where necessary, I shall refer to them in the course of consideration of the application. The law that governs bail in Uganda is contained in Article 23, 6 of the Constitution, provides that where a person is arrested in respect of a criminal offense, he or she is entitled to apply to be released on bail, and the court may grant that person bail on such conditions as the court considers reasonable. Bail therefore is granted at the discretion of the court, taking into account all the interests of the parties involved and the society as a whole. The court shall consider the following while determining an application for bail: that is, the gravity of the offense, the nature of the offense, antecedents of the applicant so far as they are known, the possibility of a substantial delay in the trial, the applicant's age, the physical and mental condition, the likelihood of the applicant to attend trial, the likelihood of the applicant to commit an offense while on bail, the likelihood of the applicant interfering with witnesses. The court further considers the safety of the applicant, the community, and the complainant. It also considers whether the applicant has a fixed place of abode within the jurisdiction of the court, or whether the applicant is ordinarily a resident outside Uganda. It also further considers whether the applicant has substantial duties ready to undertake, that the applicant complies with the conditions of bail. And the other considerations may be whether there are other charges pending against the applicant, and whether the offense the applicant is charged with involving violence. See guideline 13 of the Constitution Bail Guidelines, President of 2022. The consideration is for bail are therefore guided by following principles enshrined in the Constitution, which include the applicant's right being presumed innocent, the applicant's right to liberty, the applicant's obligation to attend trial, and the need to balance the rights of the applicant and the interests of justice. In this case, the applicant is charged with the offense of aggravated defilement, contrary to the same section of the Penal Code. There is no doubt that the offense is serious. However, the applicant still enjoys the presumption of innocence. The presumption of innocence is a cornerstone of our criminal justice system. The respondent largely based his objections on the fact that the applicant may interfere with the investigations or potential witnesses. The investigations to interfere with potential witnesses through undue influence or acts of retaliation. I agree with the respondent that in cases such as this that involve victims and complainants from the time cases of interference. However, these are allegations that have not been proved before court. In the case of Panjo Fasad, Public Insolvency East Africa 2, it was held that if courts are simply act on allegations, fears, or suspicion, then the sky is the limit. And one can envisage no occasion when bail will be granted whenever such allegations is made. Therefore, the allegations of intimidation and interference can only be proved by the respondent at this evidence. The respondent submitted that the applicant lacks a fixed place of abode owing to his business engagements in Juba, South Sudan. The fixed place of abode is a critical factor in bail considerations as it ensures the accused achieves availability for trial. The applicant must therefore present precise information as known in his residence to mitigate the risk of any absconding. In this outlet, the applicant stated that he has two places of residence, one at Murenga, Chikaya A Zone, Notiso, the other in Buea, Panjan's Town Council. Presented evidence from the area chairperson to indicate that he has been a permanent resident at Murenga, Notiso over 30 years. This, in my view, is sufficient to prove the applicant has displaced of upon Uganda. As to the question of the dual residence between Uganda and South Sudan, this was has power to restrict movement of an accused person to ensure that it is within the judicial court, and the court may issue any order to that effect. The respondent also opposed the application on the grounds that the applicant had not demonstrated any exceptional circumstances to warrant his release on bail. What amounts to exceptional circumstances cannot be exhausted, but guideline 14A and A of the bail guidelines provides that an advanced age and grave illness of the applicant may amount to exceptional circumstances. The demonstration of existence of exceptional circumstances, their application for bail is not mandatory, but may be justified in certain circumstances. He has been indicated in a medical report from Afunye prison dated the 16th of November, and the applicant complained of severe gastric pain, vomiting, diarrhea, yellow eyes, and passing of melena stool. Upon the examination by the prison medical superintendent, it was concluded that the applicant suffered from chronic gastritis with a high suspicion of peptic ulcer disease and has some intestinal tract bleeding. The report also indicates that the applicant suffers from mild anemia. This is a serious condition. I know that the report from prison is not clear as to whether or not the condition can be handled in prison facility. However, a mere demonstration that such condition exists may compel court to grant the applicant on the grounds. Rule 14A of the bail guidelines that deals with grave illness as exceptional circumstances does not take away the discretion of the court to grant bail on the grounds since the provision merely provides guidance and not direction. Each case, however, must be determined also merits. With regard to the sureties, the respondent was opposed to their suitability on grounds that they had not clearly demonstrated that they understood their duties. The suitability of sureties is critical. While for handling bail applications, the court must This satisfies the sureties presented by the applicant as substantial and capable of ensuring the applicant's compliance with the way of communication received by the National Uganda. So that is a 2004. Rule 15 of the guideline provides certain considerations such as age, work, and residence, character, and anticipates relationship to the person and any other factor that could be deemed fit. Sub-rule 2 of the rule 15 also requires that the proposed sureties provide documentary proof, which includes a copy of a national ID or a passport or an introduction letter from the local council chairperson of the area, whether they are ordinary residents. The applicants presented the following surety. The applicant presented the following sureties as indicated in his application. The first one was Mr. Yusuf, 52 years old, resident of Bulenga, BLC1, shall be Sungwe Parish, holder of ID card in number, which was recorded as M7201910M4FD, the director of Clinic in Bulenga, businessman and a long-time friend, the applicant. Second applicant was Afunye Aristo, 20 years, a resident of Brother Miracle, Council 1, Aruka Ward, order of NCM 1045 N7L, Anango, the applicant, and a businessman in Matunga. That applicant was inherited that for 7 years old resident of school grade 1, Provaga Division order of NIM, that's the rent card. CM7 703 4100HCP 0F, the vice chairperson of Mutabaniwe 1 village, businessman, long-time friend, the applicant. The fourth was the Bamuwadde, 20 years, resident of Mutabaniwe 1 village, Baga division, brother of Mayenzi Kadi, means M10120411TMG, an imam of Mutabaniwe Mosque, neighbor and a long-time friend, the applicant. Actually, on my instruction, I directed the assistant minister of the spot to receive and verify the proposed sureties. And also, since verified and confirmed that the same particulars of the sureties and the documents presented in court as required by the directive of the 15.2 of the way of guidelines. In considering their suitability, I have considered their age, relations, applicants' age, their status, their relationship, their applicants. They have known each other for a long time, find that the opportunities will be able to prevail over the applicant. Lastly, any risk of interference with the investigation was not proved by the respondent. Equally, there was no evidence to show that the safe of the victim and the complainant would be diminished by granting the applicant bail. The remaining allegations in the absence were not proved, and the result, the application succeeds. The applicant is granted bail following
Order.
The applicant on the following conditions. The applicant can deposit cash bail of 2 million shillings. Each of the sureties shall execute a night cash bond for 10 million shillings. The applicant shall also deposit this basket with the deputy registrar of this court and shall not travel outside the jurisdiction of this court without the express permission of court. The applicant should also desist from threatening, interfering with or intimidating the complainant. If he does, the matter should be referred back to court for appropriate action. The applicant shall also report to the revenue registrar in the criminal division every last Monday of this month. I shall order.
What's on there?
Applicant olwamukulu wazira koti olumala okubaliriza okwekenneenya okusaba okuyita n'ebyetaagisa bya koti byonna ekkiriziganyiza naawe nekkiriza obwebboyiro naye okukwakuliza buno bwomanga akakwakuliza akasooka nti ojja kusasula emiliyoni 2 cash ezo bazisasula mu banka ate bano buli omwaka oyimiridde bamuteeseeka akakalu ka bukadde 10 naye nga buno si bwa kusasulirawo buno busasulwa singa wawaddewo embeera embi olwabipulabise akakakulizo akalala kooti kebuteeseeko nti passport yo oteekeddwa ng'akakakulizo nga tonateebwa olwaleero ereetebwe mu kooti akakakulizo akalala nti ebikolwa eby'okutiisatiisa oba okwesoomera complainant oba nooyo agambibwa nomutuusaako obuzibu obwo oteekeddwa okubyewala nti singa kooti kinaazuulibwa nga ogenze mu maaso noteekesa mu nkola eyo erugaaniddwa fayiro eno oba okusaba kuno kujjako omuzibwawo mu maaso ga kooti wabeerewo step ekolebwa endala singa kinaazuulibwa nebikutiisatiisa abantu abo nakakakuliza akalala akasengeeyo nti bw'onaaba ofulumye ojja kweyanjula abawaddegeterekeswa wa kooti eno si kooti ndala wabula kooti eno buli manda esembayo omwezi era nga kino ogenda kikola okutandika ennaku z'omwezi nga 27 ogw'olubereberye omwaka ogujja 2025 ebibadde ensala ya kooti. Application number 267/2024 Kigenyi Adam vs. Uganda.